What happens to your body when you do 50 sit-ups every day? Greetings, viewers. When you do 50 sit-ups a day, what happens to your body? Sit-ups are similar to crunches in that they target and impact abdominal muscles as well as other muscles such as hip flexors, lower back, chest, and neck muscles. So, what's the point of doing sit-ups? It's because it helps in the development of a strong core, which aids in the prevention of injury, improves posture, and improves athletic performance. Would you like to learn more about what happens to your body when you do 50 sit-ups every day? Continue to watch this video to learn more. 1. It helps to improve your posture. Sit-ups can help you develop your core, which can benefit you in everyday life. Regular sit-ups, for example, will help you achieve a good posture by strengthening your core. To offer equal support to your body, excellent posture necessitates that the muscles around your spine be balanced and powerful. The neutral spine position is the name given to this posture. It's not simply beautiful to have good posture, it's also important for good health. Reduced lower back discomfort and less stress are some of the additional advantages. Headaches. Increased energy. The health of your neck and shoulders will improve. Lower risk of uneven wear on your joints. Increased lung capacity. Better digestion and circulation. Reduced jaw pain. Better form during workouts. Sit-ups can assist to train your muscles so that they can give greater support and allow for a healthier posture. If you've enjoyed the video so far, please show your support by clicking the like button. 2. It helps athletes perform better. By strengthening their core, all athletes, from beginners to specialists, may improve their performance. A kinetic chain of muscles is used in a variety of sports actions. A strong core effectively transmits energy and power up the chain while also protecting the body from harm. For example, when a baseball player throws a ball, the initial energy passes through the core before being transmitted to the arm and eventually to the ball. A weak core will result in a poor throw or perhaps injury since it will not offer the necessary support for the action. Better balance, power coordination, and stability arise from strong core strength. 3. Muscle mass is increased, resulting in more defined abs. Sit-ups primarily target the rectus abdominis, the most superficial ab muscle that, when defined, gives you a six-pack appearance. Sit-ups, on the other hand, are an excellent approach to strengthen your core muscles. The human body is intelligent, and when you repeat the same action while gradually overloading your muscles with workouts such as sit-ups, your body adjusts by thickening or expanding the size of your muscle fibers. As your muscle fibers thicken, they can withstand greater force, which is why when you lift regularly, your muscles become more visible and defined. As your strength grows, so will your muscles to create a foundation for that strength. Resistance training is the way to go if you want to get stronger and enhance your general muscle tone. Having additional muscle also aids fat burning, revealing even greater muscular definition. 4. A more powerful core. A strong core will improve the quality of your life in a variety of ways, including increased strength to do daily activities like as reaching for something heavy on a high shelf or carrying a large number of goods upstairs in one trip. Who wants to carry a few suitcases at a time and go on several trips? Strengthening your core will train your body to better protect your spine and assist in improving your movement execution in daily activities and the gym. Strengthening your core also has a direct influence on your posture. Because your core is made up of a collection of muscles that work together to keep your spine stable, strengthening those muscles is beneficial. It helps to improve your posture. Better posture will help you exercise in a more efficient manner, resulting in better outcomes. You'll notice fewer aches and pains if your body is in alignment by practicing proper posture. This is primarily because your body is operating more effectively, lowering the chance of overusing smaller supporting muscles like those in your neck, spine, and hips. The risk of chronic discomfort from sleeping or moving in poor posture can be reduced by actively correcting your posture. Are you ready to do 50 sit-ups every day? Let us know what you'd want to learn about next in the comments section. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends. Subscribe to the channel for more additional secrets and tips. Here are 2 additional videos to watch, both of which will undoubtedly help you in achieving your goals. Stay healthy.